The giant robot project's going very well, but in between when I'm working on that, I'm continuing with Operation Crazy Operation, which is, you know, the workshop, the banana building, where the giant robot's being built. Now right now, I'm digging out beside the building, all the way back to the cliff, so that I can actually get to the side of the building and start doing something to waterproof that bottom section. Because as it is right now, hold on a second. Well, this is basically what I'm starting with at the bottom edge of the building. Now, obviously, any rainwater that comes in is just going to go right inside those cinder blocks and seep inside into the floor and make it a muddy mess. To prevent that situation, I'm going to put sheet metal on here and glue it to the building and bolt it to the building, or screw it, whatever. And so the water will come down, come off the sheet metal and go off the ground, right? Of course, I have to cut all these rocks lower first, which I've already done on the other side. And then in here, I'm going to fill all these with gravelly dirt. I don't want to put concrete and concrete them together because it's a really long wall and it's not very thick or tall. So it'll just crack if I put concrete in it. But if I put lots of rocks and dirt in there, that should hold the bricks from shifting around and fill in the space so that animals don't climb through and stuff. But when I put the sheet metal on, that'll stop animals from climbing in the building anyway. And once I've got it all sealed, then I can start putting the styrofoam boxes on the inside, which I have a lot of. So I want to start doing that soon. They're taking up all the space inside. Man, I really ramble on sometimes. Anyway, over on this side, I've got most of these filled in, and this is the rock right here that holds the building from sliding off, and they're all chiseled down to be really low, so that when I put a piece of sheet metal here, it won't get in the way. And then this is just gravelly dirt, so that if water does get in there, it'll soak through. And also there's lots of rocks in there to kind of lock the bricks together in place a little bit. And I can show you inside the banana building all the styrofoam boxes I have. I'll have to take a second for the camera to get used to the light. But see, there's a whole pile back there, and there's a bunch up there, and piles over there. And those go back for like 6 or 10 feet from where they start. And there's a lot. I need to start putting them on the walls soon. But first, more digging. Oh yeah. Oh, nice big rock. Oh, I should also show you my handy dandy pickaxe here, otherwise known as a mattock. But I'm calling it a pickaxe because that's way cooler than a mattock. But I had a mattock head, pickaxe head, from Ellen. She gave me one because I broke another one. But she didn't give me a handle because she thought my other handle was still okay, but I also broke the handle on the other one. So anyway, I needed to start using it today. So like an hour ago, I took this piece of wood from an American, what's it called? An American hornbeam tree, I believe it's called. And it's really strong wood, and basically I just tacked it with an axe for 20 minutes and whittled it down thin enough that I could get the head on and just left the top fat and, you know, just smashed the pickaxe thing right on there. And I've been beating the crap out of it. Seems to be holding together. Alright, more digging, more digging. Sometimes I feel like all I do is dig. But I'm gonna do some more giant roboting soon. Phew! All the way to the back. There's solid rock. Excellent. Ooh, check it out. Doo, doo, doo.